Hello there guys, so today all I'm going to do is I'm going to trade people. I'm going to go ahead and try to reach 10,000 guinea pigs. That's obviously not going to happen in this video because I only have 470. Ignore this right here. So my goal is to get 10,000 guinea pigs. So I've been trading people for guinea pigs. And the reason that I choose guinea pigs is because my favorite pet of all time, her name is Ruby. As you can see here in Ruby's memory, she was my favorite pet of all time, and I would just love to collect a lot of guinea pigs, just kind of in her memory. And then I might buy some people's pets for chicken dollars, and then I will also hopefully be getting trades in because I want to bump my topic. I've been playing for a little bit, and nobody's really been responding to my topic, so I don't know if I'll get any trades or not. But let's see what people have going on here. See if they have anything. I've traded them before, so it's possible that I've taken all the guinea pigs off their hands. Nope. Okay. Or maybe they don't support hordes. Someone that I traded recently does not appreciate me trading for a bunch of guinea pigs. So I'll just do different kinds. I'll use an older uncommon. I have a lot of horses. A lot of these horses. I'll do. Yeah, they might not be happy with that. They want chicken dollars, so let's see if they have any good traits. I mean, pets. Nope, not really. I like rare chicken dollar shops. I have to rare this, yeah, please. Just rare animals. So hopefully they'll accept that. Okay, that's good. Alright, so how many guinea pigs was that? Okay, it's 6 on each row. 1, 2, 3 bulk pets. Hopefully that will. Okay, so they have 400 rares. So let's see if they have good prices, because a lot of people don't have good prices for. Oh. Okay, so looks like these guys trade up for rares as well, so I can. 8, 9, 10. I'm 63. Actually, we'll do this guy. Right, so that's 35 plus 35. Need 7 more. 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Would this work for you? Alright. Let's see. Didn't work for them. Okay. Have older rares and chicken nullers. I actually just got an advent list for a non-list pet. Okay. I got this guy for, I think, oh wait, no. Which one was it? Oh, it was a tier 5, I think. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I got him for that. They're looking for chicken dollars. I have chicken dollars, so let's see if I have any good pets in the chicken dollar store. Oh, it's uncommon. No. Hey, I know you. Let me take some guinea pigs from you. Oh, there's your bat collection. You completed it. Wait, no, you didn't. Wait, yeah, you did. Wait, what? There's 83. Whoa. You're doing great. You got a lot of good pets. Okay. Let's see what these people have. Chicken smoothie. Oh, that's so cute. I'm bringing him. He's cute too. Okay. Guinea pigs are just adorable. Alright, so let's see. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 7, so 42. You want that? Okie dokie. I lose track of who I trade with because there's so many people who trade with me. Wow. They got a lot of good pets. Whoa. That's crazy. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. For list and store pets. So I'm going to see if I can sell them some store pets real quick. Do I have any doubles? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I got a double of him. And I got a double of this one too. Oops, no, I'm not adding chicken dollars. Okay, so that is 73 chicken dollars. Would you be interested in this? Oops. No, that was a sad face. That was a really sad face. I don't want to do that. Is there a different rare you could possibly do? I don't like horses and rats. But they're on our wish list. see, I can do the bunnies. Hmm. Do I want to do, that's 90 pets. You know what, I might just do it. I'm just gonna do it. Or, you know what, I'll find a different uncommon to do. Do a couple of uncommons instead of... They have a lot on their wish list, so let's see if I can get them something. We only have rares. Okay. Well, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 25, 70, 25. I'll do this. Okay, let's see. I did not get an accept that trade. Nope. Nope, because that's a cat. Oh. They didn't send a message. So... Wow, I have a lot of trades. Well, not a whole lot to do. Haven't gotten any accepted trades yet. Need to rename this group to 470. I am hoping that they come out with a new guinea pig soon so that I can start trading people for that guinea pig. So I can add to my huge collection, soon to be huge collection. And I'm going to go ahead and give them some of their missed outcomes like they asked for. Looks like they like guinea pigs as well. Would this work for you? Hopefully it will. They have a chicken dollar store. Let's check it out real quick before I end the video. Oh, they didn't get the URB. Whoa! Wow. That's a lot of good pets. Oh my goodness. These guinea pigs are my favorite of all time. I love the new line arts, but old line arts will always have my heart. Always have my heart. Let's see. A lot of tier 7s. I mean tier 5s. I'm gonna try to get another one of him. With maybe a rare of some kind. Oops. Obviously not those guys. Rare, very rare. Okay, let's see. Man, a lot of good pets. My goodness. Okay. Tier 2, tier 2, tier 5, tier 5, tier 5. I've had this guy for a while. I think I'll use this guy. No, true date. I would rather do true date for. Okay. Let's see. I'll do this guy. I love this husky. I have both that one and the rose colored one. So I named that one Indy, and this one named Luke. He was actually a gift, believe it or not. I was very excited when I got him. That was in 2015. Zenzi. Let's see if they still play. Oh wow. They have a lot of pets. A lot of good pets. Oh my goodness gracious. They've been on recently because they've got those higher. What? That's insane. Wow. My goodness. I think I've traded them recently. Oh my goodness. It's the bee. Okay, I'm gonna try for the bee right now. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay. They don't even like any of my list pets, that stinks. Well, thank you for watching. I don't know if I'll ever get trades back. But apparently I got this. But hopefully I reach 10,000 guinea pigs at one point, and hopefully I get the URB at some point. I just don't have the stuff for it right now. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.